Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can export your projects as videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I've got some clips in my timeline and I'd like to turn them into a video file to be uploaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate to the Export tab, which you can find at the top left, and here you're going to see your export settings. So the preset right now is on custom because I've changed some settings around, but by default it should be set to match source. So whatever videos, whatever format the video you upload into the program is, that's what it's going to put out. Here you can change your other settings. So if I'd like, I can change the frame size or resolution and change the frame rate, field order, and aspect ratio. Right now, I like to keep this as is, so I'm going to click on Match Source, and it should take care of those settings for me. You can also set it so you can export only audio, only video, or both at the same time. And you can do that by turning these knobs on and off, these notches, I should say. So if I turn that off, I'm only exporting video. If I turn this off, I'm only exporting audio. And if they're both on, then I'm exporting both video and audio data. So right now, I'm going to change the file name. Let's call this mountains. And let's change the location. Let's change it to my desktop. There we go. Now I'm going to click on export, and it's going to encode the sequence. Depending on how powerful your PC is and how complicated your project is, this might take anywhere between a few seconds to maybe over an hour. So that's how you can export your projects as videos using Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.